Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Make sure your account is fully verified for crypto trading. Next, you'll need to fund your Robinhood account. You can link a bank account or use existing funds to ensure you have enough capital for your USD purchase. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth transaction. Once your account is funded, navigate to the search bar within the Robinhood app. Type in USD or Tether to locate the cryptocurrency. You'll see its current price and relevant market data. After reviewing this information, you can proceed to place your order. Simply enter the dollar amount of USD you want to buy, for example, $100, and prepare to confirm. Before finalizing, always take a moment to carefully review your order details. Double-check the amount of USD you are buying and the total cost. Once you are satisfied, confirm the transaction to execute your buy order. Your newly acquired USD will then be added to your Robinhood crypto portfolio, usually appearing within moments. It's a quick and straightforward process. After your purchase, you can easily monitor your USD performance directly within your Robinhood portfolio. Keep an eye on market trends and consider setting up price alerts to stay informed about any significant movements. Remember, you can also transfer crypto from your Robinhood account to other wallets. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.